Let me ask you something. When Monday comes, what do you usually feel? Pressure? Pagod? O parang ayaw mo pang magsimula ulit ng panibagong linggo? But what if Monday is not something to fear? What if Monday is actually another chance God is giving you to start again? Maraming tao ang ayaw ang Monday kasi Monday means work again, responsibilities again, problem again. Pero minsan nakakalimutan natin, every Monday is a new opportunity. Opportunity to try again, opportunity to grow again, and opportunity to trust God again. Sabi sa Bible, Lamentation 3 verse 22 to 23, His mercies are new every morning. Ibig sabihin, bawat umaga, may panibagong biyaya ang Diyos para sa atin. Hindi mahalaga kung anong nangyari last week. Kung nagkamali ka man, kung may failure ka man, God is saying today, you can start again. Minsan, iniisip natin na kailangan natin maging perfect para gamitin ng Diyos. Pero hindi. Ang kailangan lang ng Diyos ay isang pusong handang magpatuloy. Sabi sa Philippians 4 verse 13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Hindi dahil malakas tayo, kundi dahil may Diyos na nagbibigay ng lakas sa atin. So today, start your Monday. Huwag mong isipin na isa lang itong ordinaryong araw. This Monday might be the day God will open a new opportunity. The day God will strengthen your faith, or the day God will remind you that your story is not finished yet. So stand up, move forward, start your week with faith, because with God, every Monday can become a new beginning.